Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing high-intent keywords that serve both ads and organic SEO. Run focused Google Ads tests on 5-10 terms, sending traffic to matching landing pages so you can measure behavior, bounce, and conversions. Once the data flows, capture user queries, CTR, and on-page engagement, export search terms, and create a ranked list. Make sure to tag URLs with UTM parameters for accurate analytics. This immediate feedback loop lets you prioritize which keywords deserve SEO investment versus paid-only treatment. With initial ad results, dig into the search terms report and on-page metrics to uncover long-tail queries and missed content opportunities. Export performance by query and sort by CTR and conversion rate, then map high-performing paid queries to content themes you lack. Once done, rework titles, H1s, and meta descriptions using top ad copy phrases. Those folds of language often boost organic CTR. Make sure to update internal links and schema, where appropriate so organic ranking gains compound over time. Now scale content for the best ad-validated topics and track organic movement. Publish pillar and cluster pages, link them from strong paid-converting landing pages, and monitor rankings and CTR weekly. Once scaled, automate reports for impressions, clicks, and crawl errors so you catch regressions fast. If organic traffic stalls or drops, troubleshoot indexation issues, page speed regressions, and keyword cannibalization between pages. Resolving those typically restores performance. Remember, use ads as a hypothesis engine, then bake winning patterns into your SEO.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.